we have the current stock market analysis for NIO Incorporated, stock ticker NIO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. That means that each candle on this price chart represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see here, share prices are now starting to continue with this downward decline after sort of failing at a key Fibonacci level right around $6, almost $6 even. That exact price high would have come in at 603. So we should actually mark that on the chart here because this is turning out to be important. So we do see this failure at $6.03. This is critically important because if we're looking at this prior price move from $7.70 to $4.96, that would be this near-term low, the high to the low. What this gives us here is a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, very important Fibonacci number. 61.8% a bit more important, but 38.2 is also highly important. And here, what we can see here is we're failing right into that area. So we're starting to see share prices head right into that position, which was also a period of prior support, which would now be expected to work as resistance. So what does this tell us? This tells us that the chart analysis, it works when you're, especially when you're looking at a confluence of events, more than one technical signal that's sort of aligning in one area. It's harder to be wrong. I mean, let's phrase it that way. When you've got multiple pieces of information supporting the outlook, doesn't mean that you can't be wrong. Doesn't mean that it's not, it doesn't mean that it's 100% accurate, because nothing is ever 100% accurate in life. People like to say, well, what about the sun coming out tomorrow? Well, at some point there will come a day, believe it or not, there will come a time when the sun doesn't even come out tomorrow. So even that's not 100%. Nothing is 100% in these markets. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to align the probabilities into our favor and to look for as many technical signals that align, in one direction as we can possibly find. So that did occur here. We did see multiple technical signals that suggested that share prices were likely to start to fail at $6.03, and that's what we're seeing here. So we'll sort of move in quickly into the 15-minute price chart, because what we're starting to see here is a breakthrough another important Fibonacci support zone on these shorter term time frames. So here, what we're looking at here, I understand it's a little bit difficult to see with the colors, but what we're looking at here really is this upward price movement. And then we can see that from there, we have now retraced through the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of that declining move. Okay, so that would be this price zone here, which is something that we have been watching, and we are now breaking through there. We've even seen some closes below there on these shorter term time frames. This is a 15-minute price chart, so on a 15-minute basis, we have seen share prices close below there. It's not as important as maybe an hourly close or a daily close or something like that, but it is still very important, and this does suggest that we're in store for a major turning point here. If we do start to see hourly close below here, four hourly close below here, possibly even a daily close below here, that's now your warning signal that this trend movement here is starting to turn around. So, there were people saying that the stock was exploding higher. Good old Mr. P was telling us that the stock is going to $650. My God. I was looking at some of the comments, and even some of the people in the comment section, and these people are long the stock, and this is another one of these. NIO is another one of these cult-like stocks where you're just not allowed to say anything bad about the stock at any point. But even people that were long the stock, I looked at the comments. I don't recommend watching the video, but you can look. You do have my permission to look at the comments, because some of them were very funny. Some of them were saying, can we just get to like $10, please? Can we just relax a little bit? Talking about $650. My God. Jesus Christ, people are talking about, his opinion matters because it's on the ground, as if he's like some sort of soldier in a war or something like that. Look, he might be receiving money from the company. They wouldn't need to pay him very much in order to exceed what is being made on for the YouTube clicks. The YouTube clicks don't make very much money, people. People do get clickbaited into these things, but the majority of the benefit would be seen if there are a lot of people watching the video and then a lot of people start buying the stock. Unfortunately, people get sucked into bad positions. As we can see here, the share price has now reversed. This quote unquote explosion that we were watching before. Okay, we've now lost more than half of it. We've lost roughly 2/3 of that. So is that also an explosion? In the downside direction. I mean, we do need to be honest about how we characterize these things. If it's an explosion in the upward direction, it's also now turning into an explosion in the downside direction, right? So, people have to sort of keep all of this in context. And I understand that a lot of people think that I'm not nice about this stock or something like that. There was another comment like that yesterday where somebody was like, you're not nice. This isn't helpful. Well, guess what? That's not what helpful doesn't have anything to do with whether or not somebody is nice. What we're talking about is the market, and the market is trying to steal your money from you. Okay, the market is very good at it too. Okay, being nice has nothing to do with what is actually helpful or not helpful. You could be the worst person in the world and you could still give good stock market advice. Okay. The market doesn't care about how you feel or whether or not somebody's being nice. Okay. That's not how we should really be looking at this. We should be trying to take the viewpoint that we should be trying to take here should be as objective as possible. And it shouldn't be, married to one side of the equation here, bullish or bearish. So at the moment, we are starting to see this failure here, and this is critically important. If we do see a close, especially a daily close below, what is this going to be here? Roughly 535 again. So we're coming right back to the same area again, that 535 level. If we see a daily close below there, I would say that that's concerning. And you're starting to look as though you're going to need to retest these prior lows at $4.96. And then if you do see a break below there, I would say the stock is in major trouble, because then you could no longer make the argument that any declines below the $5 mark can be characterized as a false breakout to the downside. If we see another break below 496, all of those arguments are finished. So in order to be wrong at this point, I would probably need to see share prices break back above roughly $6.35. That would be the 50% retracement of this major trending move here. So it's sort of be that move here, as well as some of these old resistance levels that were sort of starting to develop. This would have been toward the middle of October, roughly October 11, somewhere around there. So if we see a break below 635, then we can reverse the outlook and start to look in the positive direction. So here's the current market update for NIO Incorporated, stock ticker NIO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.